For the last 30 days, I have been uploading consistently, but then I stopped. The reason is that I need more than one day to develop ideas for all these videos for you guys. I have been thinking about what videos I would like to create for you guys. I want to stay true to myself and make unique videos without copying anybody. So let's go to the point. Number one is posting time. I have decided to post every Friday at 6 p.m. That way I will be able to plan, schedule and think of my ideas for following videos. And it will be better for my daily workflow. That's the new camera angle. So second is niche. Photography is very wide niche, but this is what keeps me breathing. I'll be doing videos about gear review, accessories, we'll be getting in touch with the brands, trying to get some products for you to give away. I think it's doable. I'll be making tutorials, tricks and tips. I'll show you different ways on how you can speed up your workflow, editing process, how to use Flash in more efficient way and easy way to understand it and not being afraid of it. Also, I'll be taking you on behind the scene of my photo shoot, photographing different cars, models, portraits. I'll show you how you can find models, how you can find models for free, and same how you can find a photographer for free to shoot if you're a model. Also, I have been thinking about making videos on how I'm learning myself different new techniques, new ways of shooting, different ways of shooting that I haven't discovered yet, or at least I haven't tried yet. I just switched to 35 f1.2 lens. Those who knows what is it will appreciate it. So number three is collaboration. I believe that working with other photographers, creators and videographers would help me improve my skill and would teach me something new. Guys, I want to stay transparent with you all. You know, I've been uploading all these videos and I wasn't hiding anything at all. I was recording every single word that I say and I was dumping it on YouTube. Nothing to be ashamed. I need to start messy in order to start. But without your help, I won't succeed. Maybe I will do, but you help me a lot. Things that drives me the most when I get comments saying positive things, texts from people that last time I've seen them was 7 years ago and they say, "You're doing great, carry on, keep doing it." It motivates me a lot. Or even when my brother calls me randomly and he's like, "How did you do that? Like, do you sleep or do you not?" Like, all these questions just drives me to go and make these videos. Guys, I will tell you a little secret. I already have made $2.95 from YouTube. That's crazy. Hit that subscribe button, drop a like and leave a comment, and hopefully I'll make another video better every single time. See you guys next Friday.